We are talking about your daily routine today, describing your day, your work schedule, your free time.
Here is how this works. Max tells me about his day. Then we explain everything. Ready? Let us start. So, Max, what does your typical day look like?
My typical day? Well, I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
7 a.m.? That is early.
Yeah, I like to start my day early. I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, then I go to the kitchen.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I always have breakfast. I make coffee, I make eggs and toast, then I sit down and eat. I check my phone while I eat.
Listen to this. What does your typical day look like? That means tell me about your normal day, your routine.
Typical means normal, usual, not special. Your typical day is what you do most days.
I usually wake up means this is my normal time. Usually means most of the time, not always, but often.
I always have breakfast means every day, no exception. Always is 100% of the time.
While I eat means at the same time as eating. You are doing two things at once. What time do you leave for work?
I leave around 8:30, but today was different.
Different? What happened?
I woke up late. My alarm did not go off. I woke up at 8:15.
Oh no. What did you do?
I panicked. I got dressed in 5 minutes. No breakfast, no coffee. I ran to the train station.
Did you make it to work on time?
Barely. I was 5 minutes late. My boss was not happy.
That sounds stressful.
It was. I hate being late. My alarm did not go off means my alarm did not ring. It did not wake me up.
I panicked means I got very stressed and worried. Panic is sudden fear.
Got dressed means put on clothes. You can also say, I put on my clothes.
Barely means just in time. Almost too late. You succeeded, but only just. So normally you leave at 8:30. What time do you usually start work?
I start at 9:30. I work until 6 p.m. Sometimes I work late until 7 or 8.
That is a long day.
Yeah, but I get a lunch break from 1 to 2. I usually go to a cafe or I bring my lunch from home.
What do you do after work?
After work, I go to the gym 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
3 times a week? That is a lot.
Not really. You should come with me.
Me? No way. I hate the gym.
Hate it? Why?
It is boring. Running on a machine, lifting weights. So boring.
But it is good for you.
I prefer going for walks or dancing. That is more fun.
Dancing is not exercise.
Yes, it is. I burn more calories dancing than you do at the gym.
I do not believe that.
It is true. You should try it.
Maybe. You will hear this a lot. I work until 6 p.m. means I stop working at 6. Until means up to that time.
Lunch break is the time in the middle of the day when you stop working to eat, usually 30 minutes or 1 hour.
3 times a week means 3 days every week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Any 3 days.
No way means absolutely not. Never. It shows strong disagreement.
I prefer means I like this more. This is my choice.
Burn calories means use energy. When you exercise, you burn calories. If something was too fast, you can go back and listen again. Take your time. So, after the gym, what do?
I go home, I take a shower, then I make dinner. Or sometimes I order food.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I try to go to bed around 11, but sometimes I stay up late, watching TV or reading.
Same. I always say I will go to bed early, but then I end up staying up.
Yeah, it is hard.
Go to bed means get into bed to sleep, not just sit on the bed. Actually sleep.
Stay up late means go to bed late, not sleep at your normal time. Up means awake.
End up staying up means you did not plan to stay up late, but you did. End up means the final result. Do you have any plans this weekend?
This weekend? Not really. Maybe I will clean my apartment. It is a mess.
Same. I need to do laundry.
Yeah, weekends are for chores.
Do you ever sleep in on weekends?
Sleep in?
Yeah. Wake up late, stay in bed longer.
Oh, yes, I try to, but I usually wake up early anyway. My body's used to it.
I am the opposite. I sleep until noon on Saturdays.
Plans means activities you are going to do. Future activities.
Not really means no, not much, just a few small things.
It is a mess means it is dirty and disorganized, not clean.
Do laundry means wash your clothes. Laundry is dirty clothes that need washing.
Chores are small jobs you do at home. Cleaning, laundry, dishes, taking out trash.
Sleep in means wake up later than usual. Stay in bed longer. A relaxing morning.
On weekends means Saturday and Sunday, your days off from work.
Until noon means up to 12 a.m. Noon is 12 in the afternoon.
Okay, let us practice the key phrases together.
Someone asks about your typical day. What do they say?
What does your typical day look like?
You wake up at 7 most days.
I usually wake up at 7 or I wake up around 7.
You have breakfast every single day. How do you say that?
I always have breakfast.
Your alarm does not wake you up. How do you say that?
My alarm did not go off.
You get very stressed suddenly. What do you do?
I panicked or I panic.
You succeed, but only just. Almost too late. What word describes this?
Barely.
You strongly disagree. What do you say?
No way.
You like something more than another thing. How do you say that?
I prefer.
You work from 9:30 to 6? How do you say when you finish?
I work until 6 p.m.
You stop working to eat in the middle of the day. What is that called?
Lunch break.
You go to the gym on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. How do you say that?
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
You get into bed to sleep. What do you do?
I go to bed.
You do not sleep at your normal time. You sleep late. How do you say that?
I stay up late.
Saturday and Sunday. What do we call these days?
Weekends or on weekends.
Small jobs at home like cleaning and laundry. What are these called?
Chores.
You wake up late on Saturday, later than usual. What do you do?
I sleep in.
That is it for today. Next episode, we talk about yourself, how to introduce yourself, tell people about your life.
Thank you so much for listening. We really appreciate you being here.
And remember, if you want to practice, leave a comment. Tell us about your daily routine. We read every comment.
Keep practicing. You are doing great.
See you next time.